दोस्तों, आज आपके सामने मैं फिर से एक नई वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। मुझे ऐसा 100% उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों की ये वीडियो बहुत ही आपके लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक होने वाली है। इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल टू यू एंड स्लोली योर इंटरेस्ट विल ग्रो इन द स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस। मेरा मानना है कि दोस्त, एक बार में कोई पेट से तो सीख के आता नहीं है। ये स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें आपको डेली कुछ न कुछ प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत होती है। ये एक बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट सब्जेक्ट है सिविल इंजीनियर के लिए, स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियर के लिए, जिसमें काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को होता है। काफ़ी कुछ इसमें नए नए चीज़ आते रहते हैं सामने। आप जितना इसमें करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा सीखोगे। आप रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है इसमें। ये शॉर्टकट इसमें कोई उपाय है नहीं इसमें। आप इवन स्टेट प्रो, VATI और अदर सॉफ्टवेयर्स आ गए हैं, उसको भी ऑपरेट करने के लिए आपको बेसिक चीज़ों की जानकारी होनी पड़ती है। कभी कभी बहुत ही रॉन्ग आंसर दे देते हैं। और कहाँ लोडिंग करना है, कहाँ पर बीम का कहाँ पर क्या हिसाब किताब बन रहा है, कहाँ पर ज़्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन है, कहाँ पर किस तरह की मोमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, और कहीं गलत तो नहीं दे दिया उनका डायग्राम। ये सभी चीज़ों को जानकारी आपको तभी होगी जब प्रैक्टिकली आप ये चीज़ों को जानकारी आप अच्छे से अपना नॉलेज ज्ञान प्राप्त करेंगे, और आपके एग्जाम में भी अच्छे नंबर आएंगे, अच्छे नौकरियां भी मिलेगी आपको। और इसमें घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत होती नहीं है। पहले जब मैं छोटा था, जब मैं UG में था, तो मुझे भी ये बहुत ही टफ लगता था, मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आता था। और हमारे एक बार तो हमें बैग भी लग गया था, मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ। लेकिन वैसी बात नहीं है। आप इसमें जितना ट्राई करेंगे आप बहुत अच्छे से अच्छे कर पाएंगे, और आप स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियर बन पाएंगे। मैंने अच्छे क्वालिफिकेशन भी आपको होगी, अच्छे नौकरियां भी मिलेगी, आपको सब कुछ मिलेगी। तो दोस्तों, इसमें स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस में मैं एक एक केस टू केस जितना हो सकता है मैं डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। तो मैं अपना परिचय दे दूँ। आई एम हरी, ए सिविल स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियर with design and field experience about 30 years and भगवान के कृपा से, आपका आशीर्वाद से आज मेरे पास सब कुछ है। एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल फॉर मी। और मैं चाहता हूँ इसी विद्या के बल पर, इसी ज्ञान के बल पर सारे कुछ भगवान ने दिया है मुझे। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा मिले, आप अच्छे लाइफ मिले, अच्छी घर हो, फ्लैट हो, गाड़ियाँ हो, तो आप अच्छे से ज्ञान प्राप्त करें। मैंने इसमें कई वीडियो अपलोड कर रखे हैं। इसमें बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, साइन कन्वेंशंस, सिंपल केसेस ऑफ द बेंडिंग मोमेंट, सिंपली सपोर्टेड, कैंटिलीवर्ड, UDL, ओवरहैंग्ड। ये मैंने कई वीडियो इसमें 26 वीडियो अपलोड कर रखे हैं। आप एक एक करके जाइए, देखिए। चूंकि मैं इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा सा न्यू हूँ, तो कहीं मेरी वीडियो लाइटिंग प्रॉब्लम हो जा रही है, कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जा रही है, तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं। लेकिन आप इसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग आप अगर अच्छे से करेंगे तो आपको बिल्कुल समझ में आएगी और आप अच्छे से सीख पाएंगे। तो दोस्तों, आपको मेरा YouTube चैनल पर स्वागत है। आप सभी लोग आइए और वीडियो को देखिए, अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाइए, आप आगे बढ़िए। और इसी के साथ दोस्तों, आगे आप देखते रहें। This is a cantilever beam and UDL has been placed anywhere in this beam. Say this distance is A and length of the beam is L and this distance is B, and after calculating this, what will be this distance? This distance will be, just I am writing here, total distance L minus, subtract this A and this B, LA minus B. Topic cantilever beam, with UDL any anywhere at the beam this is expression expression for cantilever beam when UDL is loaded anywhere on the beam. So please derive the expression. What will be the expression for shear force and bending moment diagram? So shear force, first come to shear force diagram. What will be the shear force diagram? A step is that first calculate the support reaction. First calculate the support reactions. Then thus imagine free body diagram for the beam. Why free body diagram? So that there will be easy to draw the shear force diagram. Number 3, shear force diagram will be from that if no load, if there is no load, then SFD shear force diagram will be just a line, simple line. Where there is no shear force diagram, no loading, there will be only line is there. Number 4, for UDL, here is UDL is given. So UDL, there shall be SFD will be, for UDL SFD will be a triangle. SF will be a triangle, and where there is no loading, for no loading portion between UDL and fixed and support a rectangle. This is triangle for the UDL, and between this point to this there will be a rectangle. So this is only first you keep in the mind before drawing shear force diagram. Then what will be the, what is reaction at fixed and support? What is the reactions? See, here it is write down A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. A, B, C, D. Here is the small, so please give, this is capital B, and this is also capital A, B, C, D. Then you find that for the fixed and support, a summation of all the forces equal to 0. That is the horizontal vertical force plus this horizontal force shall be 0. Okay. See, what is the summation of force? Then here is the RA. RA is the upward force. RA, it is the upward force. If it is positive, then downward force will be negative, minus. If it is W, then W into A due to minus. RA minus WA equal to 0. Then What will be the RA? RA will be plus W into A. RA will should be W into A. Just write down here W into A in the expression of interest. Next, let's shear force diagram from the end. I am writing here first. I am drawing the concept. What will be the sign of shear force diagram? Sign will be negative. If the right hand section, this is the section, right hand section is coming down and the left hand portion is going up, then this will be positive, this is negative. If you take in due to this cantilever effect, if you take any section here, any section at this point, then due to this loading effect, load is coming from top to bottom, at this right hand portion will be coming down in this portion here. Cantilever beam, after splitting up, if section is taken the right side, then what will happen? This section is coming down, so shear force will be positive for the cantilever beam. So write down one vertical, just you project this is the beam, so you draw one beam here and just mark it a B, here is C, corresponding to here is D, and this is A. Okay, I think you understand. This one is I am drawing shear force diagram. Shear force diagram will be positive. As take the section, what will happen? The right hand section will be coming down, so shear force will be positive. Just put one symbolic here and see. There is no loading, so there will be only no loading, means shear force at a B and FC, SF shear force at FB and FC will be 0 and only one line. So draw one line, simple line. This is the shear force diagram, but never leave this ordinate. Now what is at C 0, and what will be the shear force at D? SF at D, write down FD equal to load. What is the load? W into A. So W into A, and this is positive, so write positive. And I've already told here, for the UDL, this is the triangle. Shear force will be triangle. So also please watch my earlier video on the shear force diagram, sign convention of the cantilever beam, simple cases, so that your basic understanding will be clear. And write down here due to positive as WA. Since there is again, go ahead. Here is from D to A, there is no loading, so this will be a rectangle, and this is the only constant. And just for check off, what will be this? At the support, shear force will be equal to the support reaction. Already we have derived here, cross checking WA. So this W is a constant, and same time you have checked that WA is equal to RA. And write down shear force diagram. You must write here. And what is the expression? SF at D WA, and this is a rectangle, and shear force at A equal to same plus WA rectangle. This is triangle. This is triangle. So we have solved shear force diagram, and just see here how shear force diagram for the UDL anywhere in the spine has been derived. Now come, what will be the bending moment? Bending moment expression for UDL. What will the bending moment expression for UDL? First, think in the mind that there is no loading between B and C, so bending moment at B and C will be 0. We denote as M B equal to 0, M C equal to 0. So right here, just give comment to get more value. Addition, no load between B and C, so M B, bending moment at B, and bending moment at C equal to 0. Both will be 0, and this will be only one horizontal line. I will draw later. Next, bending moment at the point D. At D, just I will write expression later. Just understand the how can calculate the bending moment at D. What is bending moment? Bending moment is the load into distance. This will give bending moment at the point. So bending moment at the point D will be, here is no loading, so load is 0, distance will be multiply whatever the distance, this will be give you 0. So please don't take point from B and C, just take this load. This load is W into A, total load, and what will be the distance? Distance will be the center of this load. Center of this load. This is A by 2. Total distance of load is A, then centroid is A by 2. So load into A by 2. Load is WA into A by 2 will be the bending moment at D. So write expression BM at D equal to MD equal to load into distance. Okay, then what is the load? Load is W into A, and this is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise loading, so here is negative. You just see anti-clockwise loading. And for the bending moment, always remember that hogging effect. Hogging effect. What is hogging effect? This is sagging. What is hogging effect? This anti-clockwise moment. So on couple is generated here, and BM will be negative. This is called hogging effect. This one. So BM will be negative for cantilever. Always remember it for all future derivations. So WA is WA into what will be the distance? Distance will be, just I have told, total from here to here, A by 2. So this load into distance A by 2. So right here A by 2. then WA squared by 2. This is the bending moment at this point. So write down here, and this will be since it is UDL, this will be parabolic curve. Parabolic, remember it. For bending moment, it is parabolic. So come here and see. Just put up here B, and this point is C, and this point D, this point A. So here is no loading, and this will be parabolic. Just put here, and you will get like this. Parabolic. Write down here. This is negative, and this is WA square by 2. You have write already. You have write down here negative. So please not write here negative. WA square by 2 is the bending moment here, and write down here bending moment diagram. This is very essential to write down bending moment diagram, must. And what will the bending moment at A? Just first understand the thing. Bending moment A equal to all the, this is anti-clockwise, so I was told that the hogging effect will develop a negative bending moment. So this load into distance will be from here centered to here. This will distance is A plus this one, L minus A minus B. Total distance L. Then this distance is L minus A minus B. This distance plus this distance A by 2. From here to here, L minus A minus B plus A by 2 into what is the load? Load is W into A. So bending moment at A equal to load into distance right here. So load is the WA, and what is the distance? Load is this UDL, and what is distance? Distance is, first write down A by 2, then plus L minus A minus B. You just from here load into from this here to here. Please remember this distance. This distance is, I've already written here. Please see carefully. So after derivation of this, you will get write down here minus due to negative. This is anti-clockwise. WA L minus B and A by 2. After derivation, we will get this. So WA, this is the bending moment at A. Write down here A. MA is this one, and this unit will be whatever the force, kg, Newton, kilonewton, and force into meter or centimeter. Kilonewton meter, Newton meter, Newton meter, Newton centimeter, whatever the unit has not been given. Just I have given you to remember this, that while writing unit for the bending moment, you have to write force into distance in unit. So drive here bending moment diagrams. What will be the bending moment diagrams? WA, and this will be from A only linear, and this will be graph will be linear. So here to here just write down here, and this will be only one straight line, linear. This is a straight line. This is a straight line, and this is parabolic from here to here. Okay, for this 4 UDL, and here this is the straight line. And write down the value of bending moment, whatever I get here. Just put this value at the sheet. So here write down WA L minus B into minus A by 2, and this is the negative, remember. So please tag this one and see again from your side if my video is okay, and if you understand all the things nicely, then please share your likes and subscribe my channel, so that I forward the video first for you whenever I post. Thank you. आपसे मेरी आग्रह है कि पिछले मेरे कैंटिलीवर पर लास्ट 3 वीडियो को जरूर देख ले। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कैंटिलीवर पर भी लाऊंगा जो यूडीएल और पॉइंट लोड्स दोनों ही होंगे, जिससे आपका और प्रैक्टिस और अच्छे से हो जाए। और जो नए हमारे दोस्त हैं, जो नए फॉलोअर्स हैं, जो नए पेज विजिटर्स हैं, उन सभी से आग्रह है कि अपने लाइक्स और शेयर कमेंट करें, और इस दोस्तों पेज को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।